After the first use of the budget Vevor chainsaw attachment, I discovered that it absolutely did not fit my Duromatic bar. The chain was hitting the bar mounting bolts, so I had to modify it. I welded 2 washers from an angle grinder and drilled 2 holes in the bar. This way, the attachment is fastened to the bar with 2 M14 bolts, which makes chain replacement much faster. I also welded on the guard. The next step was to attach a winch. Constantly pushing this STIHL MS 881 with the attachment is no fun at all. It's really heavy. Anyone who has used such a chainsaw knows what I mean. To mount the winch, I will use a steel angle bracket, which can easily be found in any hardware store after drilling the necessary holes in advance. I replaced the steel cable with a rope, which is mounted on this type of bolt. The next problem is chain lubrication. Even though on my STIHL 881 the oil feed adjustment is set to maximum, it's still not enough. I will use a fuel tank from an old chainsaw. It's lightweight, the cap seals tightly, and it already has an oil feed adjustment valve. It is quick and easy to install and remove, and the oil feed adjustment works perfectly. As a guide, you can use almost anything: a ladder, 2 pipes, or a straight board. Anything strong and flat will work. I decided to make my own guide to suit my needs. It turned out to be quite compact for transportation. To tension and guide the cable, I will use a roller that will be attached to the log. And I will attach this kind of roller to my improvised leads. For a clean cut and correct board geometry, you should always use a guide, a ladder, or anything else you have available.